Well, Hans Christian sent me a nice little padlock. It has a Pfaffenhain core, very paracentric, full of all kinds of trickiness usually. These are really tough picks. Nice tolerances, not going to be able to shim this guy, but you can. I think it is spring-loaded. You can usually tell if it gives you a little bounce like that. Usually spring-loaded, but I can't shim it. I'm going to pick it, hopefully. I have no key, unfortunately. So let's try it. I am going to put this one in the vise. And the reason I'm going to do that is because these usually do contain security pins. I want to put a black mark on here after I tension it. Find a tensioner, see if we can make this thing work. That ought to work. All right, I'm going to tension it and then put just a little mark. That way you guys don't have to take my word for it, that there's a fault set. You can see the fault set and you know exactly how deep it is. All right, and let's see what we got here. I'm going to try... Let's try this guy. It is from Rare Elements, a 12 thousandths. Nice thin shaft, both 12 thousandths and also in height, which I think we're probably going to need with this guy. Okay, so light tension. The lines seem to match up pretty well. And let's find a binder. Tiny click on 5. I've got really light tension on this guy because, as I said, these usually have serrated or serrated spools and some other German nastiness, usually. A tiny click on 1. I have no fault set. Something fell. Pin 1. Either that or I'm picking the tension right. Yeah, that was 1. Got a click. A second click on him. Again, very light tension. I suspect we're probably looking at serrated here. See if I can reach all the way in the back. It is very paracentric, and I'm not really sure this 12 thousandths pick is even going to... see there? Come out, come out. It does get hung up back there. That was pin 2. That was pin 1, a third click. That was pin 2. A tiny click on him. Still no fault set. There it is. I don't know if you saw that, but we just got the tiniest of fault sets. And it just went a little deeper. I have very light tension on this guy. Come on, where are you? Since we do a fault set, I suspect that we have a fairly shallow spool. But I'll be darned if I... There he is, right there. I'll say I didn't know if I could find him, but there he is. Had to reach pretty high up there. Let's see if I can get on him again. Right there, pin 2. Come on. And there we go. All right, I'll take it. Let's pull this guy up here and make sure it is. Yeah, we see the little square cutoffs, you know, where they are spring-loaded, but as I said, you couldn't get shims in there. Tell you what, I'm curious about what's in this. I don't have a key. It's not like we can remove a screw, take the core out, and rekey it. So once you've lost the key, unless you want to impression it, I'm not going to do that. Let's put it on the milling machine and whack it open and find out what kind of secrets this Pfaffenhain core holds for us. Whoa. All right, so the first one, we have a steel standard. And number 2, we have a spool. Number 3, looks like another steel standard. 4, oh, that popped. That was all right. Another steel one. Get all those chips out of there. All right, where are you? He's in there. I see him. But here he is. There's the one we're looking for that was giving us that weird feedback. Get up there so everybody can see you. Be proud. That's usually what you find in a Pfaffenhain, but more of them, more than just one. And there's that guy. All right, and that last one is just a pin that holds the core, and I'm not sure if it fell out or if it's still in there. And since the core doesn't come out, and it's still not rotating, here we go. Come on out of there. There's probably still a limiting pin, and there's probably located right there. Anyway, there we go. I even got most of the springs, guys. So not a heck of a lot that should have given us that much trouble, quite honestly. We had a spool. All the rest were steel standards. And then we had this guy that acts like a serrated. So, yeah. Nasty keyway, not so nasty pins. I'm a little surprised at that. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. Hans Christian, thanks for the luck. The giveaway. And this will be not the giveaway. The giveaway will be another donation from, let me back the camera out a little bit so we can get this thing to focus. From the owners of LearnLockPicking.com. This is the last of the very generous donation they sent. This is a 7-pin ultimate adversary lock. It's probably a lot more challenging than that lock you just saw because you get the option, you have kind of a pair-centric keyway, 7 pins as opposed to 5, key, plugs, all the extra springs. More importantly, a huge bag of security pins. So, progressive training lock from LearnLockPicking.com, the ultimate challenge lock. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe, stay legal. If you want to know how to register for the free giveaway, stick around. I'll tell you how to do it. Thanks, guys. All you need to do is navigate to locklab.com, the tribal website, and scroll down in the middle of the page. You'll see all the giveaway buttons, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But the one you're looking for is the Weekend Review giveaway, purple band. Just click on it. It'll take you to the registration page. Again, scroll to the bottom, put in a good email address, so if you win, I can get in touch with you, let you know. Put in a username, doesn't matter what it is, and click Submit. When you're done, you'll get a green check mark confirming your entry. Thanks, guys.